shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I'm so happy that you're able to join me today. So for today's project, I thought we'd do something a little different, a little out there. I'm calling this one a polka dot bowl because I've got these resin pucks that I'm going to put down in here. I've got a waste block, gonna put some clear resin in it and make a bowl out of it. So I made these yesterday, and the colors that I got was yellow, Luminite yellow, translucent, Luminite violet, Luminite ocean blue, and all of those are transparent colors. Then I have some Pearl X powders, sapphire blue, citron or citrine, emerald. I got Illumidust interference red, and then macaw blue green. All right, so these are gonna be way more than I need for this project. So what I wanna do is whatever I don't use in the project, I'm gonna give away to one of my viewers. So make sure that you stick around to the end to see how that you can get a set of these. All right, so I've got my pucks the way that I want them situated. So it's about 20 pucks in here. I've got 20 set away for the giveaway. So now we're gonna mix up some resin. Right, so I got it out of the pressure pot and I mounted it back to that worm screw that I used to make the waste block. And take a look at that, man, that just looks cool. And the cool thing is the yellow one, you can't really see it. It just blends into the resin. I think it'll stand out once I get the waste block turned off. But anyway, so what I want to do, speaking of waste blocks, is I want to attach a waste block to the bottom because I don't want to put a mortise for a tenon in there. So we're just going to attach a waste block, go ahead and turn this, get it true again, and then get this turned into a tenon so I can get it reversed into the chuck. So that's what we're going to do right now. That's weird. But the wood gave away right here. It's weird, it just must have had a split or something. So anyway, I think I got enough wood steel here to grab a hold of it, so let's do that. Weird. All right, I think I'm gonna have to attach, go back to the worm screw and bring this down. It's it's just shy, and I think my bigger jaws are too big for that. Alrighty, that's sanded up to 600 with the regular sanding pads. So what I'm going to do now is just going to wipe it down with some denatured alcohol to get all of that dust out. Get that cleaned up, and then I'm going to hit it with the micro mesh pads. Alrighty, I went through the micro mesh, but you know, I see a ton of scratches in here. I don't know if maybe, I think it may be time to get rid of those or change out those micro mesh pads and get some new ones. But I've got this plastic polish by Hut. I'm gonna give it a try and see what we can do. All right, I tried to polish and it I can still see a ton of scratches, so I just ordered some micro mesh pads. They'll be in tomorrow, so I will attack this tomorrow after I get those. But I gotta say, I'm really liking the bowl. It's really cool. All right, so it'll be instantaneous for you, but I'll be back to this tomorrow. Alrighty, so it's the next day, and I did get the new micro mesh pads, and so I hit it back with some sandpaper, just hit the grits one more time, just to kind of remove that plastic polish on there, and just to restart. So now I'm going to hit it with these. I'm not going to make you watch that. You saw me do that, but anyway, I'll be back when I have this ready to part it off. Wow, what a difference that makes. That is crystal clear in there. Hopefully the pictures will do it justice. Anyway, so really quick tip. On the old sanding pads, don't throw those away. I try to save an older set, and that's what I do my pins that have a CA glue finish, because it's enough grit to sand that smooth, but not enough to go through it. So anyway, just a piece of advice: don't throw away those old micro mesh pads. So we're going to get this parted off. I'm going to do some of it with the parting tool, but then I'm going to take the rest of it off with a Japanese pull saw. Not going to take the risk of this thing coming off the lathe and crashing on the ground. So anyway, so we're going to get that started. All right, so I got it flipped around, and just a couple of things. I did put a paper towel back here so that the plastic that I just polished doesn't get scratched up. And this should only be turned no more than 600, and you want to try to avoid any of the pressure going across it. You always want to try to push into it. So anyway, just a couple of pieces of advice on that. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this off the waste block, flatten it out, sand it up, polish it, and then we'll be done. Well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. It's a great little project, and you know, as I said at the beginning, I'm going to give these away to one of my subscribers. And in the way to get this is all very simple. All you do is put down in the comments, I want in. And that's all it'll take, and then I'll just randomly select one of the subscribers or the commenters, and I'll reveal that next Friday. So next Friday's video, I'll go ahead and pick a winner with this. Thank you for sticking around. You know, like, comment, share, all those types of things. It'll help me and the channel out a lot. So if this is your first time here and you want to see other videos, just click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, click up here, click that bell so that you're notified when I upload new videos. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.